Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, January 26, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. Those of us who are in LiveGood know that Thursdays are pay days for us. We receive our fast start commissions every Thursday from the previous week. So I like to do a video and just to show you the payment proof, and not to show it to brag or to say I'm better than anybody else or anything like that. It's basically just to let everyone know that with a little bit of hard work, you can get results in this company, okay? In fact, you don't really have to do too much to get results in this company because it's the best business opportunity that I've ever seen in my 16 years of online marketing, okay? Everything about this company is just top-notch. The customer service, the products, the team behind it, all the marketing tools you get, and it's just a huge family, and I'm honored and blessed to be a part of it. And I'm just doing this to show you that anything is possible with a little bit of consistency and determination, okay? So I'm going to log into my back office here. Okay, you can see that I'm in my back office, Russ, and I'm just going to go and click on my earnings. All right, and here you can see that today, January 26th, I was paid $247.50, and this is from pay period January 14th to January 20th. All right, so each week we get paid from the previous week that we had, okay? So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm just going to show you how this all breaks down really quick. All right, so you can see here from the membership referral bonus, I earned $49.50 this pay period, and I earned $198 for a total of $247.50. And I'm just going to go and click on the detailed view and show you how this all breaks down. All right, so your rank determines how much you get paid. All right, so basically I'm a silver rank, and that means that I get paid 50% on all my personal referrals. I get paid 10% on my second level, and then 5% on my third and fourth levels, okay? So you can see here that I enrolled 3 personals, all right? And this is based off the $9.95 a month membership, so I got $5 from each of them. And then on level 2, these are all people on level 2, you earn $1 from at the silver level. And then you can see here 3 and level 4, you earn 50 cents, or I earn 50 cents. All right, so this is all that came in this past pay week, past pay period. That is for the membership referral bonus. All right, so I'm going to click back and show you the affiliate referral bonus breakdown, okay? So I'm just going to click right here. All right, so these are my 3 personal enrollees, and this is based on the $40 affiliate membership fee, okay? So everyone that comes in here, they pay a one-time $40 affiliate fee, and that gives them their back office and all the marketing tools and everything they need to start their online business. All right, so we earn $20 out of that $40 on our personals, and then we earn 10% and again 5% on level, or we earn 10% on level 2 and then 5% on level 3 and 4 as a silver rank member. All right, so here's level 2. I earned $4 on all of these folks that joined. 3 and 4, I earned $2. All right, and that equaled $198. All right, so that is my weekly earning breakdown for pay period January 14th through January 20th. Our team continues to grow every single day, and it's just an amazing thing to watch. I've never had this much success so quickly in all of my 16 years of doing this. So, and I see people, I have people on my team who have never made a cent online who already have 10 or 12 people in their matrix. So it's just really cool to watch this and be a part of it. And, if you're on the fence about joining this, you have until tonight, okay? Tonight is our cutoff. You can see that right down here. All right, so our next cutoff date is Thursday, January 26th, which is tonight. And basically what this means is you can lock in your position before this time, before the end of today, and get put into the best possible opening in our matrix, okay? And again, this is a company, there's so much to say about it. I've done a whole bunch of videos. Go check them out, okay? And of course, if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in joining or learning more about the business opportunity, click the link down below. You'll be taken over to the tour page that looks just like this. There's a 5-minute and 55-second video here that you can watch. It explains everything better than I can. And then you just put your first, last name, and email, click reserve my position, and you'll be taken into a back office where you'll get more information and where you can lock in your position before tonight is over. All right, so this company is no joke. They've been paying out on time. This is my 5th pay check that I received from this company. It's already pending in my bank account as I record this, and it's just going to keep getting better and better. So check out the 5-minute video. That's all I can say. All right, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.